This is my 2023 Chevy Silverado High Country, and today I'm going to be installing a Peragon Tectonic cover on the back. Now, before we go into that installation, I want to talk to you a little bit about the cover that I have. It's actually from a company called Rev Industries, which is part of that back company now. I bought this with the truck from the dealer, and they installed it. And I really like it. It's this tri-fold aluminum, and you can fold it back on itself, and it's got this nice feature where you can fold it up against the window so you get all of the bed. Super low profile. It's great. The problem I had was with this gasket, the hinge. They use a rubber hinge in between the panel, and you know that first panel is the one you open and close the most. Well, it tore apart after just less than 3 years. I use the truck for work, I use it for pleasure, go camping, hunting, fishing, and then I use it for work. I went to the company to say, hey, can I buy that gasket? And they said, no, you can't. You got to buy a whole new top, which is ridiculous. I mean, it just slides in and slides out. And so it was out of warranty, which is a funny little thing because their warranty is 3 years, 36,000 miles. Not sure why the miles matter because it's just on the back of your truck. Whatever. They said, well, you got to buy a whole new top. So that made me mad. And so then I wanted to look for something robust, and I chose the Peragon Tectonic, which is a very different type of top. And that's what I'm going to put on the back of this truck today. When I spoke to their customer service people at Back Industries, I said, I just need that rubber gasket. The guy goes, oh, we got a bucket full of those torn out gaskets. We don't sell those. It's ridiculous. They need to change their policy because if you're spending this much money on one of these trifolds, you just need a part. It wears out. I'm not saying anything went wrong. That first panel is the one you open and close, and they should make those parts available for truck owners so that you can maintain your truck. So note to the Back Industries folks, hope you watch this and think about what you're doing with your stuff. Here it is in the box, and how it all got shipped. Installation kit, ratchet straps, which were like part of the deal when I bought it. Looks to be packaged pretty well in there, so now I'll take it all apart. So this video is not really a how-to video. I just wanted to show you kind of how it goes together. These rails go on the side. I'm a 62-year-old guy, so I'm pretty handy, and it's real easy to figure out, and the stuff is really well made. On these no-drill clamps that you use, you see this little strip right here? That lines up, there's like a little slot right on the rail where this is going, and you line all 4 of those up. So you want to loosely set it in place before you crank it down. All right, once you got the rails in place, right, everything's tightened down, you kind of want to keep things a little loose. The panels go in pretty easy. They're not super heavy. And once you get them all in place, you know, the real cool thing about this panel is it slides when you open it up. It's a really cool feature, and then these pins go in to lock it all in place. So there's the finished product. It sits up a little higher than the old one, and I thought I wasn't going to like it, but I do, and it's really well made. So it's not a whole how-to video because you can go to Peragon to learn about that. But I will tell you this, super easy. I'm an old man, so it's not that difficult to do. Very self-explanatory. I'd watch the video. I'm a visual learner, so once I see it, I can figure out how to do it. It's got a very aggressive look over the old one, and the beauty part of it is that it's got a really nice finish. You can open this independently. The other one, you had to open up the tailgate to open it, so I kind of like that. And I'm looking forward to using this thing. So hope you found this interesting. And if you're thinking about a top, consider these guys. I paid for this. I got nothing to do with this company. I live in the Midwest. It's a Midwest company, so I wanted to keep my money local.